Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Girl on Guitar. We have Wish Day, alright, so not only Wish Wednesday. For now, we have the spirit where we have a lot of wish songs thrown in here on Girl on Guitar. So it's your opportunity to get your song here. And this time we have you, Martin Denoun, not sure about your name really there, but you asked for Black's Testify. What a great song. So this is special for you, Martin, and all you Black fans. Let's take a look at Testify. So we have no need for any cape on this one. We have 8 chords to go over. We'll start with that. But this is basically a picking pattern song, and we have verse and chorus play. That's pretty much it, how it goes. First, let's take a look at the chords and then go into the picking patterns. We'll start with B minor, and we have actually a couple of bar chords in this song. So we'll start with one right away. B minor is a bar placed on the 2nd fret, and you go with the 5 strings from bottom and up like this. And then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. The next chord is the D major 7. So what I do there, I place a bar again on the 2nd fret, but just the last 3 strings, the G, B, and E string, like this. And then I also add the open D string. So open D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and 2nd E. That's the D major 7. The next chord will be the G major 7. And for the strumming later, we will go with this chord. And that is basically what you need to know for now. So that is 3rd on E. Then I mute the next string, which is the A. I mute that string with this finger I'm holding on the 3rd E string and just lean on top of it. And then I continue with open D, open G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Then we have the D F chord, and that comes like a stepping stone, like a chord you just do for 1 down, and it comes right after the G major. So what you do from the G major to the D F, you keep that 3rd fret B string there, and you recuperate your finger to this position. It has to go pretty fast, so that's why I'm giving you this technique. You keep that glued from the G major to this, okay? And that will be 2nd on E. Then I mute the next string, the A string. You can also have it open. And then open D, 2nd G, and then this 3rd B, and open E. That's the D F. That's a D chord basically, but with an F sharp in the bass. Next chord is the E minor. That will be open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. We have A, and that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. And then we have 2 bar chords here in the end. We're gonna go with the F sharp minor first. You have a bar on the 2nd fret over all strings, you bar there. And then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. That's the F sharp minor. And to get the F sharp chord, you just add the 3rd fret on G string to that F sharp minor. Everything else is the same, and that will be the F sharp. So there you have all the chords needed for the song. Now we'll go over the different parts, starting with the verse and look at the picking pattern. All right. So we're gonna start with B minor. That's the first chord. 1 B minor round goes like this. Right? So you can just mention now, if you think this is too hard, everything with the picking patterns, this is a like mid-advanced scale on it, so to speak. It's not that easy. You have to put some time on it. Then stick till the end of this tutorial. We'll learn an easy string pattern, so don't panic. Let's start again with the B minor. Hold the chord as it is, and you're gonna play 2nd on A, 4th on D, 4th on G, back to 4th on D, then 3rd B, 4th G, second A, fourth G, and second A. Slowly like this. Two rounds of that. Okay, so just for demonstration, you're gonna play B minor 1, so. Then the next chord will be the D major 7. You just hold the chord as it is, and you're gonna play this part. So that is open D, second G, second B, then open D, then second E, second B, second G, second B, and second G. Slowly. All right, so I had 2 rounds there. 1 round you want to go what you're gonna play, so. Okay, then over to the G major now, and this is a different grip than if you would go with the strumming. The strumming is easier. This one is a bar on the 3rd fret. You bar all strings there, and then you need to add 4th on D and 4th on G. That is the easiest way to hold this grip to get all the notes right. It goes like this. So that is 3rd fret on E string in the bass, then 4th D, 4th G, back to 4th D, then 3rd B from the bar, then 4th G, and 4th D. Slowly. Okay, you play that once, and then you go to the D, F. In this case, when it's just picking, you just go pick 2 notes together, and that will be the 2nd E string in the bass together with the 2nd G. Okay, so you go from this G major. Alright, so there you have the D, F. Now over to E minor. You're gonna play this part. So that is, you can just hold the 2nd D string, that's enough. You'll go with open E string, 2nd D, open G, 2nd D, open B, open G, 2nd D, open G, and 2nd D. So you're gonna play. You play that for once, but then you're gonna start again on a new round with the still same pattern on E minor. So you're gonna play this part. Okay, so it's just a little bit different in the end there. You're gonna play the first notes in the same way. So you're gonna play open E, 2nd D, open G, 2nd D, open B, open G, and 2nd D. To this point, you play the exact same pattern as the first E minor, but then you make a short pause, and then you just play this added note, which is the 2nd B string. Okay? So that is the end of the E minor part. So the first half, the first round of E minor was. And then the other part of E minor was. And then we have the final parts of this verse play. We're gonna go now to the F sharp chord. Hold the chord as it is. You're gonna play this part. So you play 2nd E string, 4th E, 2nd E, 4th A, 4th D, 4th A, then 3rd G, 4th D, 4th A, 4th D, and 4th A. Alright, so I hope that was clear for you. Slowly it goes like this. Alright, you play that for one round, and then you have the final part, the B minor.